But I'm gonna need a lot of charcoal. So I'm gonna build a charcoal kiln, and I need a lot of wood. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking some lunch. I'm getting hungry. I got some frozen salami I wanna thaw out. Put that right there. I got some cheese wrapped in tin foil. Oh, that smells amazing. Got a big slab of soft cheese covered in a fig marmalade. Just warmed it up over the fire. Got it already pre-cut into little cubes. A nice Italian salami. There we go. Warm cheese, little salami, some fig sauce.